If this is how you prompt, you're not engineering, you're just guessing. Most developers treat AI like a magic ball. They give a vague prompt, get a generic answer, and then spend the next 30 minutes fixing the bugs. Today, I'm giving you the craft framework. It is the structural anatomy of a prompt that gets you a production ready code on the first try. Let's see how we can make it more better using the craft framework now. So now I'm going to give context, role, action, framework, and target as a framework. In the context, I said that I'm building a modern SaaS dashboard using React 18 and Tailwind CSS. And in the role, I tell act as a senior front-end engineer specialized in security and UX. As an action, I give that create a professional login component. It must include few things. And in the format, I give return a code in single TSX file, and in the target, I give me a production ready environment that prioritize ARIA labels and clean reusable code. Now let's see what it generates. So if you see, it really generates a robust it generates a robust production ready code, login component, and it also states that it had handled few things to ensure a seamless handoff to the backend, and also added like what was the implementation strategy. Also included few things like error messages, proper labeling, and the UX things. And you see the code which it has generated. It has already handled regex validation and have also prioritized structured error handling instead of just using console.log. So if you see, I didn't have to ask for these things individually. The craft framework, it made the AI assume that I want high quality code. So stop chatting, start crafting. I have put a copy paste template in the description for you. Tomorrow I'll show you how to code these rules into AI's personality so you never have to repeat yourself again. Day 2 is all about system instructions. Subscribe to master your AI skills with me. Bye bye. See you in the next video.